driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Only in your love and I'm out here hungover.
I actually matched my room. So I just came home from Germany, Munich, Germany. It's 5:33 p.m. and I'm so tired, but I rested so well on the plane, I have to say. I like caught up on sleep because I did not sleep, but it was amazing, like amazing. Came home to some packages. I have to unpack my luggage. That trip was amazing. Whoa, yeah. So I'm just so excited to be home right now, and take off my socks. I have to make some returns on stuff that I did not take with me, but yeah, it was such an amazing trip. I'm sorry I could not whip out my camera at all. Like, not at all. So if anything, I'll insert some pictures of like a recap of how beautiful Germany is, and the experience if I have pictures, which is nuts. I was just working the entire time, and clearly it was a working trip, so that's what I was there for. But yeah, it just felt so good to come home and to my lights that my mom put up. Look how cute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make like a nice cup of coffee, take a shower, and like woo-saw it out, and maybe unpack, or maybe not. Whoa, welcome back to my channel, and don't I look beautiful? I actually matched my room. It's kind of cute, and my bed is not made, but hello. Wow, I have had like a day and a half of recovering from being jet lagged from Germany. Jet lagged, no sleep, I don't know what you call it, but it was all so fun and like worth not sleeping 1 minute. Wow. But I'm back in New York. I've been up since like 7. I don't know. I have like these long stretches of sleep, and then I'll wake up and then go back to sleep and stuff. But right now I have energy. I've been cleaning my house since like 7 a.m. and whew, I'm nowhere near done. I feel like I didn't even touch like what I need to touch, like at all. Like, wow. But today I need to touch this hair. Yeah, this hair has not been washed. Look at this. In a week. So I gotta touch this hair. Your girl's gonna get a facial. Your girl got some body aches and issues going on right now, like a lot. So we're gonna try to situate that or help it out. In the meantime, I still have to work. I still have like so much to do to close out on this amazing trip we just came off of. Yeah, so let's just keep on. Oh, it's like my light changed. Let's just keep on cleaning the house. You know what? Let's deep condition. Let's deep condition while I do that. My mom got me this really cool gadget, by the way, too, and for drying my hair. So I'm like, I really don't have time to dry my hair, but holy moly, yeah, my house. Okay, I really don't have time to dry my hair, but she got me some kind of contraption, which let's see if it helps. I'm just screwing you off of this. Oh my god, I'm in dire need of a facial. I have never gotten a facial in my life before, so I'm very excited because my skin, from number of vlogs I've mentioned this, how bad my skin is. So hopefully we get some, like, I don't know, a process going, and then maybe I can make this a routine thingy, a habit, or I just always get facials or something like that, or I get this routine. I need a skincare routine so desperately. But we're going to deep condition my hair. And I just keep on using this because, I mean, this is really, I think I have other stuff. Oh, maybe I'll do Diva. Let's do Diva. Let's do a good treatment. Okay, cool. Yes, so I found some Melt Into Moisture and some Deep Sea Repair. And I also have another Deep Sea Repair, but let's like mix these two in together. see what we get, because I need some love going on up here. Also with my lashes, like this is my first time doing it, and I'm actually surprised at how much I like it. Like, I don't have to do my lashes. I don't have to put mascara on. I don't have to think about it, although I love mascara. This is like a good, like if you're going away, not to a hot place, because I wanted to do it for Mexico, but my niece told me it wouldn't be smart. And for all beauty tips, I do listen to Brittany. I don't know if I've ever shown this before, but lately I've been doing this. Oh, usually this is down more. Then I'll take like this little, I think it goes this way. No, that's it. Yeah, it goes this way, right? Why does it seem wrong? Oh, I see. It goes this way. So this goes in the back. This goes in the front. Twist it, twist it, twist it. Bring it around. Oh my god, I'm tired. And then this contraption that I have to like dry your hair faster, which I'll show you. I think it's the most funniest thing. I've heard like different reviews about like how it doesn't work, how it does work. So I'm gonna just put it to the test to see if this really works for curly hair, to make it dry faster. But yeah. I'm watching The Real Housewives right now. I am so far behind on everything, on all my shows. So I have to watch all of my shows. Which is fun. Okay, cool. Alright, so let's just get back to cleaning. And I'll show you my contraption later. Bye. Wow, okay, so you see how it's like already getting dark out, and it's only 1:37:39, which is nuts. My hair is still wet, and I'm going over to my mom's house because she's coming from a trip from Los Angeles, California, and I haven't seen her in so long. Okay. My outfit's fine. My hair is so wet. But this is what, oh, I have to bring my packages. Those are stuff that I have to return. But I wanted to show you, this is what I'm going to try out at her house. A silk bonnet. Oh my god, well, soft bonnet, I guess that's what you call it. You put it into a blow dryer and it's supposed to dry your hair. So we will find out how good that works. I'm twisting in circles because I am so hungry. Alrighty. I think we're good. Okay, let's pack the car.
You make me wanna take you to London, Paris. Make some times for cherries. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen. Don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. It ain't fair that
I'm not gonna show you pictures of my trip. I was just telling my mom, so we are half German. No, we're not half German. My mom is half German. Half German, half Irish and Italian. So she's quarter Italian. Quarter Italian. Quarter Irish. And 50% German. So the fact that we went to Germany and my mom was raised by of course my grandma.
My grandpa was English.
That's the Irish part.
But because my mom was raised, of course it's like grandma and grandpa, but of course like my grandma, she was the one who raised all 7 of them. We have a huge family. We realized that in Germany, we are more German than anything. The way that we eat, it's bananas on how much German we are. I don't know.
Influence, yeah.
Food. You know, the
attitude,
like it's in my blood. Like, who the heck knew? It was so cool.
Yeah, it would be
everything that my mom cooks. Look, she's like breaking it down right now to Crystal. she came back to New York. She doesn't even live in New York. She lives in Arizona. So she flew back with me, but look, she's breaking it down. Mom was full Italian. And the cool thing too that I learned is my grandma spoke German, but she never spoke it around us, which I don't. Well, of course she spoke German because her parents were fluent and raised and born in Germany, and then brought grandma to America, or grandma was born in America. But the traditions, everything, like, I had no idea. I want to take my mom back so bad to Germany so that she can see how, like, oh my god, you don't, I've never felt so close to like my roots before, or understood like, wow, this is the way that we've done this because of my grandma and her grandma and grandpa, and you know, like, I'm not making any sense, but I felt very connected to Germany, I have to say that, as I eat my sauerkraut. Mom! Mom! Why? Look at this. Oh my god, this looks so crazy, Mom. Mom.
Like putting your head in a garbage bag.
Look at this. Ma, your nails are so cute.
Yes, they still look very nice.
Ah!
It's the exact same size.
1, 2, 3. Hey! Oh.
Press that top.
Wait, I have to put my head in it. Wait,
I
Mom!
wanted to see if it would blow it off.
Oh my god! Alright, shut it off, shut it off.
Too much hair.
Shut it off. Okay, wait.
But what is this?
No, that's like, I don't think I have to wear that. Oh, and a shower cap included, but you don't have to wear it. Okay, ready? Wait.
It has a cool blast.
Mine at home has like all of the you know.
Different settings, yeah.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Okay.
Alright, go. I don't want my ears to get hot. Low, low. Okay, it's not bad. I can hold this.
Yeah, just rest it on the table. And then you sit there for a half hour while you watch a show, and it
Dries my hair.
gently dries your hair.
Alright, let's see.
Your eyelashes still look great. How funny did they feel?
Not at all, Mom.
Totally.
The only thing is when I was tired and I had crust in them, I was like,
oh, so that you don't
I was
tear the
nervous.
tops off. Yeah.
but I had a lot of crust. And I usually don't. I don't know if it's from the lashes or I was just really tired.
Just really tired and different pollution. Different pollen, different stuff that your
So even
eyes.
though I was home, I had like so much.
Right.
But I don't see them.
Right. They're clear.
Like I don't see any of them.
They're done so delicately.
I was like, yo-yo, make sure that it looks extremely natural.
She did.
Yeah.
She really did.
Please. I would go back there. The only thing is sitting there for an hour and 15 minutes, Mom. I was losing my mind. It made me not want to ever do it again. But it's convenient because then you don't have to put mascara on.
It takes 2 minutes every day.
Yeah, but then you have to wash it off and like...
Yeah, but if you use an oil cream or something to take it off and a paper towel. My washcloths always used to have like 2 raccoon lines in the mascara.
Yeah. my hair.
It's very short.
Ow!
Very
Oh my
short.
gosh. These are tight curls. I'm so tired. Oh, maybe if I shake it up.
Right up.
It did dry it. It just shriveled it. That's actually kind of cool. Oh my gosh.
Because Kelly, it was only like $10. It wasn't a lot of money. And this was Walgreens.
That blow dryer thing dried my hair so quick. I'm not gonna lie, that thing was pretty cool, but you saw how like it shriveled up like a little mushroom or something like that, which was nuts. But I just had to stretch it out. I mean, I put it up right now because it is pouring. Like, look, it is raining cats and dogs right now. I need to go run out and go do some things before I do a facial. And I'm excited because it's my first facial. Woo! If you've ever gotten one done, let me know what, you know, recommendations, all that good stuff. I have my sister coming, who she's like the spa expert. Like, if you want to know anything about spa, she's like the one. So she's gonna be with me. But still, like, if it's your first time, or if you've ever gone, or if you've never gone and gotten a facial, let me know, and hopefully I can help you with your first time experience when I give you the recap. So excited. Let's go. Can't wait. Oh my god. So many extractions. Look at that. It's so bad. I had so many extractions. It's crazy. She said it wasn't even a lot.
Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Yeah. You're a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bed.
That's my sister Crystal, and Taylor's back, and we've been playing Mario Brothers. We're gonna learn, well, not learn. We're gonna teach Crystal, because she's a rookie at pretty much everything, how to do this. And we're gonna do the ooh nah nah, I don't even know what it's called, TikTok.
Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that Trip Chocolate Factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls give in to you. Paris, make some times we'll cheer.
Hello, Ms. Rooster, Kelly Rooster.